Designing a bay. The following steps will show the easiest and most accurate method of designing a built-out bay. To start, zoom in on the right side of the house. The Draw Select command allows for the quick selection of an item to draw by selecting it from the drawing, then adding an exact copy of it elsewhere on the drawing. Select Draw Select and click the brick wall. Note the status bar lists the current command, Draw Wall. Move the cursor a few feet out from the right exterior wall and click. Draw a small vertical wall of approximately 3 feet in length and click again. Finally, move the cursor to the exterior side of the wall and click once more. Click the right mouse button to cancel the Draw Wall command. Prior to placing the angled walls, the first step should always be to establish the depth of the bay. Select the Single Extension command from the toolbar. Position the cursor to the outside of Stud and click. Pull the extension line up past the corner of the plan and click again. Next, select Dimension from the toolbar and add a horizontal dimension line between the two extension lines coming off the corner of the plan and the bay wall. Right-click the dimension and select Edit. Enter a new dimension of 2 feet 6 inches right. With the depth set, the remaining walls need to be drawn, but at a 45-degree angle. Using Draw Select again, click the existing bay wall and then click its end to start a new connecting wall. To set the angle of the cursor, press the F12 key to allow the cursor to draw in 15-degree increments. Pressing F12 again unlocks the cursor completely, and pressing a third time returns the cursor to its default angle. Draw the angled wall to the house and click. Repeat on the opposite side to complete the bay. SoftPlan's Part Erase command will allow for a part of an item to be erased. From the menu bar, select Erase, Part Erase. Position the cursor where the angled wall meets with the vertical house wall and click to insert the first breakpoint. Move the cursor to the opposite side of the bay and click where the angled wall meets the vertical wall. SoftPlan will remove the existing portion of wall between those 2 points. The remaining walls will automatically join to one another. At this point, the dimensions can be modified to fit the plan. First, select Dimension Auto Dimension and click Yes in the prompt that appears. If necessary, the dimension numbers can be quickly enlarged by pressing Ctrl-Q. Next, right-click the dimension that represents the distance between the rear right corner of the plan and the first wall of the bay. Enter a new dimension of 1 foot 6 inches and select the down arrow. Moving to the width of the bay's front wall, modify the dimension to be 4 feet 8 inches down. Finally, select the Cleanup icon from the toolbar to perform a cleanup. To review the bay and add windows, select the 3D Shaded tab and orbit the model. Select Draw Select and click the double-hung window to the left of the bay. Position the cursor over the front wall of the bay and click to insert. Click to add this same window to each of the 2 angled walls as well. Select the right Elevation tab to review the built-out bay in Elevation. Return to the main floor plan and save the drawing.